You are a driver. We are students. They are police. I am a student. He is a teacher. She is a nurse. It is a desk. You are a driver. We are students. They are police. Negative. I am not a student. He is not a teacher. She is not a nurse. He is not a desk. You are not a slave. We are not a student. They are not police. I am not a student. He is not a teacher. She is not a nurse. It is not a desk. You are not a driver. We are not students. They are not police. Interrogative. I am a student. Is he a teacher? Is she a nurse? Is he a desk? Are you a driver? Are we students? Are they police? A student.